welcome to another Daily Dose of Insights powered by Container Exchange. My name is Christian, and every other day we bring to you the key news, stories, and data points that move container markets and hence your business. Today it's Monday, so we have Macro Monday here at Container Exchange, where we typically look at some of the key macroeconomic indicators that we expect will move markets this week. So let me quickly share my screen to give you a little bit of guidance of what I'm talking about. First off, a quick look back at the last week. The US economy continues to be much more resilient than previously expected, with specifically the job market data surprising expectations and further reducing the likelihood of a Fed rate cut. After also last week, the ECB has already gone ahead in reducing rates. And this week, a lot of inflation rate data across the world coming in, and then finally culminating also on Wednesday in the Fed's decision of whether to hold or decrease interest rates. China kicks it off on Wednesday with inflation rate data expected to be stable at a very, very low 0.3% year on year, again, in line with last month's data. At the same time, Germany, sort of as an indicator for Europe, expected to tick up from 2.2% to 2.4% annualized. And that, of course, is very interesting the week after the ECB has just decreased interest rates with a nod towards uncertainty in the future. And then on Wednesday, the last data point to come in, I mentioned it before, US inflation rate likely stable at 3.4% above the sort of target corridor from the Fed. And that also means that that is likely to keep rates at the current 5.5% level. And then on Friday, one last data point here, US consumer sentiment expected actually very, very strong at 74 points versus 69.1 last month. Of course, all of that very, very interesting to monitor throughout the week and to see how especially container rates, leasing rates react to this, because leasing rates ultimately are very much impacted by financing costs. And that's why we look at these data points. Now, that's it from me, from us for today. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and talk to you on Wednesday. Take care.